Hi, my name is Marlon Forde, working at Protexxa Barbados as an AI analyst. I would have come into this field with generally no experience, but I saw it as an opportunity to try something new, to get my feet wet in something that is relatively unknown and unseen in the Caribbean so far. I'd like to say that I had a pretty good experience. I was able to get hands-on experience with a myriad of different tools that were able to help me as a beginner to execute and understand the world of AI, which I think is what it is made for intentionally, because AI is meant to support. The thing I like about AI is that it is approachable to the beginner, but it also has a wide variety of uses across many fields and jobs, which allows you to get in depth in not only specifically computer science or data analytics, but it can work for architecture, for math, for schools, finance. It's very, very diverse, and that's something that I liked about it and found myself drawn to. In a day-to-day experience, it's actually similar to that. You're asked to do a variety of different things. Right now, we're working on data cleaning for analysis and ingestion to some of our programs. We encounter different types of data that may not be as easy to read to the human eye, but we try to balance the scales between the computer reading it and the human reading it so that each person and entity is able to get the most out of what we encounter. So I would have encountered the program through a number of different social media platforms, which it pitched to me as something that's interesting. It drew me in because it felt like you don't have to be someone that is a whiz at technology or a whiz at computers, but you too can get into this and learn it and make your own opportunities. So I feel like when I entered the program, what I really liked about it is that it's self-paced. So if you're really good at computers, really good at the subject matter, you would tend to get through really quickly. However, if you're someone that has a very hectic schedule, so you have a lot of kids, or you have a job that has long hours, but you also want to try something as maybe a secondary form of income or an entire career change or something to supplement your current career, all of these things can be satisfied by completing this course, which is very short for what it offers. It's not a 3-year program, a 4-year program, but once you get your feet wet and you enter the job, you're then able to use that, if you're willing, to then supplement and augment what you currently have. So one thing that I think I take away from the program is it works as best as you want it to work. If you're only going in to just learn about AI, you can do that. If you're going in to supplement what you currently have, you can do that. If you're going in to completely change your life and completely change your path, career-wise and whatnot, that's it too. It's as much as you want it to be, it can be. And that's what I liked about the course most of all. What I like most about this is that the course kind of mirrors how my career life has been. I studied architecture, didn't really pan out, and ended up in banking of all things. Spent a few years there, met some people, really enjoyed the customer service aspect of it, but with all things, life must change. I think the program really mirrors my own career path so far. I actually started by studying architecture. That didn't really pan out, but then I ended up in banking. I met a few people and I think I liked the customer service aspect of it, but we move on. I found the course and I find that it allows me to be able to chart my own path in many different areas. AI is something that is used worldwide. You have it on your phone, you have it everywhere you go. So I find you are not limited in where you can go when you learn this program. It's as wide as your mind can think is where you can use this AI. So if you're not sure which path you want to take career-wise, I would recommend using this course. Once you get these skills, you can then find something that you like and use it to augment where you're going. Let it chart your path and guide your direction.